Hey, there you are. So, anyway, for those of you just tuning in to my vlog videos, God, this light's horrible. There we go. It's a little bit. Let me turn the light on here. There we go. Anyway, for those of you that don't know, that is in the intro video journal in Spanish. Maybe I should change it to English, or maybe just keep you guessing. I don't know. Anyway, another pointless stupid vlog video. I had a little bit of spare time today, and as most of you know, I think everybody pretty much, stupid mosquitoes. I think everybody pretty much knows I'm in love with my lawn tractor. So anyway, I put a switch on it today for the lights, and it might be a little loud. I don't think I've recorded it with this camera and audio before, so it may be a little loud, but check it out. A nice little profile shot. Okay. So anyway, there it is. Call me stupid if you want, but I like it. And oh, hey, check it out. I like it so much I even polished the motor. How pretty is that? Okay, yeah, be good to each other. Oh, and before I forget, tomorrow is supposed to. Tomorrow is supposed to be fairly nice, so I'm hoping to conclude a second day of filming on the project. So I'm thinking it's going to be, I think I estimated like 8 days of filming before I can get enough footage to complete it. So tomorrow will be day number 2. So, we got a little ways to go. We're not only a quarter of the way there maybe, but anyway, it's looking good. Look for it soon. Be good to each other.